A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Here I'm going to be talking about the power you all possess. If you're a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. But if you have the divine feminine energy, if you relate with it, if you resonate with it, then not only you can give power to yourself, but you can also give power to other people who are involved in certain situations with you. And they could be depending on energy externally or some kind of magic to happen externally, but they believe you and they confide in you and you feel for them. So it could be your own personal situation or it could be someone else's situation where you really resonate with, you deeply resonate with, and you want to see it happen. Now, for some of you, this might sound like a manifestation video, but actually, it is not. I believe very strongly that if something is destined for you, if God wants you to achieve something, if it's written in divine order, then some or the other tool is going to be given to you. It can be a law of attraction tool, it can be a manifestation tool, it can be a video like the one I'm making right now. But if it's meant to happen, some information will find its way to you and it will instantly click to you. You could be just randomly watching reels or shorts, and something you watch is going to immediately impact you in an intense way, in a way that's very profound and very esoteric, and then you would know, you'll get the answers. You'll know, okay, this is what is happening, and this is exactly what I'm supposed to do. So, my dear friends, divine feminines, divine feminines are, divine feminine is the powerhouse of energy, of faith, of affirmations. She is the one who can conclude an energy. And universe just delivers. Universe doesn't care if you say no or if you say yes. That's why in many cases you should simply not believe in the negative stuff. Even if 100 people are standing next to you and telling you. And when you're a really clear person, when you have a very strong gut, and when you're very, very positive, at that point in time, you will notice just towards the end of something actually coming true, some kind of manifestation happening, or some kind of specific situation or person coming into reality, you will notice that suddenly you can be faced with a lot of challenges. Divine energy, it basically believes that you can turn things around, but you have to give it one push sometimes. And that push comes from divine feminine energy. That's why I said you can be a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. But for anything of this nature to come through, this is the energy type that you need to use. That is the quiet, calm energy, the focused energy, the energy that has faith. Even if everybody is going crazy, even if everybody is going mad. Another reason why God does not give you this tool that easily is because you have to really put it to practice, and it's faith, because we all want to use it for good purposes. We don't want to put this kind of energy into evil purposes. There are lots of distorted feminines, distorted masculines who find this tool and then they misuse it. Well, even if they misuse it, eventually it's not going to do good to them. Somewhere or the other, sooner or later, they will realize. And sometimes one more thing happens. You might take a decision in fear or out of love or out of losing someone, fear of losing someone. You might be put to guilt. You might be put through shame or regret of making that decision by someone who is in distorted energy. And they are going to make you feel like you're the one who's doing wrong and you should not do it. Even if you know that it's God sent, it's your intuition telling you something, it's coming from your gut, and it's real, because when something comes from your gut, even if you try to go away from whatever it is that's meant for you, you can't go away from it. That thing, that situation, that person will find its way to you. It will get pulled to you, no matter what. So, this quiet, calm energy, this divine feminine energy, is the creative force, is the creative energy, is the powerhouse, and it gives energy to divine masculine also. Divine masculines sometimes act out of uh, they can act out of so many things, not to say anything negative here, but yeah, they can do things out of impulse. But divine feminine is not that impulsive energy. In fact, sometimes the negative energy can come from impulse, because people do make wrong decisions when they're very impulsive. But when you're not impulsive, when you're very relaxed, you will not have any fear. You'll only be doing everything under divine guidance. You know that your action is correct action under God. And whatever you're doing, it's not just for you, it's the good for others as well. It's the good for some mission, some cause, something higher you believe in. It's not a selfish act. So, this diva energy is something that is connected with God. And in order to make it divine feminine energy, not distorted feminine, you know, when a distorted feminine comes into the life of people, everything goes haywire. There's bad luck, there's disease, career will go bad, and there will be debt everywhere. There will be loans and debts. There will be a lot of misery, negativity, addiction pattern. But when the divine feminine energy comes in, all these things start going away one by one by one. And that's how the masculine knows that this is the energy that's more true to his nature, that's more connected with him. So you can see this as a relationship video, you can see this as a career advice video or a manifestation video, as I said earlier. But this can actually help you to connect with that beautiful, profound, esoteric energy that puts you into a calm, relaxed mode. It doesn't want you to hurry up, it doesn't want you to be scared. It will not let you get negative even when 100 people are negative. And even if 100 people will come and tell you that, you know, what you're doing is wrong, your decision is wrong, you should not listen to your heart, you should not listen to your soul, you would still be able to walk through the fire and make it happen. So, what's meant for you is meant for you. Another thing about divine feminine is that it does not operate from guilt or from manipulation. I've seen a lot of young girls these days who are using these manipulation tactics because they are also watching content, they're watching videos, and everybody's got this information. So they start using their mind on it. They're not using the heart chakra energy, they're not using the soul energy, they're not working from their gut. You need to work from your gut, because in your gut is the Ram energy. In your gut, because your Ram mantra, the Ram sound is the sound of confidence. Some people are born with it. Some people have to build it up step by step. Years of practice is required, and some people instantly pick it up. So, this Manipur chakra energy is very powerful energy, because they say that if you work through your Manipur chakra, then your bottom chakras as well as your above chakras, they all can get healed. No other chakra can do it, according to me. And I've personally felt it that your heart can be open, your heart can be beautiful portal of light and love. But if the bottom three chakras are blocked, you cannot manifest. You cannot see through the manifestation. Sometimes the manifestation might be happening in your life, but you'll not be visibly aware about it, or it will not seem to you like a real thing. So, for all your experiences, you need the combination of your intuition and the logic, okay? But to get connected with this logical energy as well, you need to be in healed divine feminine state and energy. So, this is a lovely tip that I wanted to give you. And how to check if you're operating from this energy, check yourself. If you're nervous, agitated, irritated, fearful, then the divine feminine energy is not working. It's not operating. Then you're going to use your mind, you're going to use a lot of tactics, you're going to use certain things, certain tools that are actually not meant for you, especially in that frame of mind. So, I will see you in the next one. One love, peace out, and Victor to Ram.